Nudge. Push someone or something gently. He nudged me to wake up. My mother nudged me to stand up. Baffle. To confuse or puzzle someone. The hard question baffles me. The magic trick baffled everyone. Dig. To make a hole in the ground using hands or tool. The dog digs a hole in the garden. The workers dig to build a new road. Insult. To say or do something that hurts someone's feeling. It is not nice to insult others. Do not insult your friends. Sniff. To smell something by breathe in air through your nose. I sniffed the flowers. He sniffed the perfume to decide which one to buy. Enormous. Very big or huge in size. She has an enormous house. The tree in our yard is enormous. Kneel. To go down on your knees. She kneels to pray every morning. She kneels to talk to the kid. Wreck. To destroy or damage something badly. The car was wrecked in the accident. The fire wrecked the kitchen. Generous. Giving or sharing with others in a kind way. A generous person helps others. She is always generous to her friends. Flee. To run away from a dangerous situation. The man tried to flee but was caught. The people had to flee the building because of the fire.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!